back then made it easy for you to get to. Now you wanna act like you don't know what to do. After I done everything that you asked me, grabbed you, grabbed you, liked you, tried you, moved so fast, baby, no, I can't find you.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be discussing how to be a baddie, but on a budget, sis. Yep, you heard that right. We talk about lashes, makeup, hair, all that good stuff. So make sure you stay tuned. But before we go any further, do your good sis a favor and make sure that you hit that like, comment, and subscribe button. Make sure you comment and hit that post notification bell so you know when I upload. And make sure to check out my other videos as well. Alright, let's get into the video. Number one is confidence. You have to have confidence. If you don't have confidence, then none of this stuff in this video that I say is going to help you, sis. Confidence is so important because if you have confidence, then you won't need none of this stuff that I'm about to tell you in the video. You won't need your hair done, your nails done, none of that stuff. You could just literally go outside with a beat up, tank top and some jeans, and people will be like, ooh, look at her. Like, it's all about confidence. Number one thing you gotta have is confidence. Number two is personal hygiene. Hygiene is very important because it's just like when you smell good, it attracts people to you. People are like, oh my God, like what is it? Like, you get questions all the time. People want to be around you. You have to have personal hygiene. Make sure that you brushing your teeth and cleaning your little Becca down there, like everything like that. Make sure that you're doing that. So some affordable places that you can go is Bath and Body Works, Walmart, the dollar store, all those places and stuff. You can pretty much find fragrance for at least under like $100, at least, because sometimes Bath and Body Works be super pricey, and I be like, I'm gonna just wait for the sale because y'all ain't gonna get me. Like, no ma'am, not at all. Check out Bath and Body Works. I would sign up for a membership. They give out stuff for your birthday, all types of rewards. $10 off a lotion, all that stuff. I know this year, well, every year they have the semi-annual candle sale. Like, I would be up in there. Next is hair. Hair is pretty much whatever you like. Some people like to be natural, so you can wear your own hair, you can wear wigs, you can wear braids, whatever you like. But places to go for wigs, the beauty supply store, they always have stuff. Unice, I like them. I wear a lot of headband wigs because I don't know how to glue no lace, none of that stuff, so I just stick to what I know. And next, we're going to talk about nails. If you notice, all of the baddest girls have their nails done, and I'm just like, hello, I'm broke. Like, I can't keep up with y'all. So something that I started doing was going to my local Dollar Tree. Like, these were $1 and these are 60. I think it comes with like 60 packs. They have them in all different colors. Go to the beauty supply store. Amazon have like 500 nails for like $7. Like, that's always good. You paint them whatever color you want, and then girl, you out the door. Like, no hassle, no nothing, breaking the bank or none of that. Like, I don't have nails on right now. I actually like tried to do my own nails. Like, they raggedy, but they get the job done. Next, we are going to talk about clothes. Where you get your drip from? Where you gotta go? You can go to the thrift store, Fashion Nova, Shein, hell, even Amazon, Walmart, wherever your budget is, that's where you shop. Rainbow, all those places. Like, y'all don't believe, I actually got this romper from Plato's Closet, and I got it for $5. $5 for this romper that makes me look expensive. But I paid $5 $5 for this bumper. Like, I got some shorts for the summer. Those are like $3. Like, they always have deals and stuff like that. Don't be ashamed to shop at these secondhand stores because they have a lot of good stuff in there. Okay, now that we talked about where to get your clothes from, we talked about the drip. Now it is time to talk about my favorite topic ever. Y'all know, makeup. It's time to talk about makeup. Okay. So pretty much for makeup, you can go to your local beauty supply store. Your beauty supply store is going to be your best friend, okay? You can get your clothes there. You can get your makeup, hair, whatever you need, jewelry, like all that stuff. You can get that from the beauty supply store. But make sure that you go to the beauty supply store. Ulta always have sales. You can go to the drugstore, your local drugstores, Target, Walmart, CVS, whatever fits your budget. Make sure that you shop there because they have a lot of good stuff. Cause we on a budget, sis. Like with all these prices and stuff going up, ain't nobody got time to be going to Sephora and spending $200, $300, and $400. Okay, we need something right now. We need something that's gonna work and that's affordable. So make sure y'all check out them places. Another thing is lashes. Yes. These lashes, I actually got these from the dollar store, okay? And I know y'all been seeing them all over TikTok, floating all around. Those lashes right there, the eye only lashes, those are the truth. So make sure that y'all stock up on all of those lashes. You get lashes from the beauty supply store, any type of lashes, but I recommend going to the beauty supply store and the dollar store. Those have the best lashes to me. Those are the best lashes, and they're cheap. Like you can go in some. I used to live in Illinois, and this particular beauty supply store that I went to had dollar lashes for $1. That was fat. Like, ooh. Y'all know I stocked up on those. As a girl, if you wear lashes and stuff like that, make sure you go to the dollar store and stock up. You can look like your favorite influencer. You can look like Jackie Aina, Jada Waiter, and all them other ones. You can look like them for only $125. These lashes that I got on right now, $125. Don't sleep. Skincare, you can go to your local CVS, Family Dollar, all of that stuff. You can pretty much go there and they have stuff for like $6. My skincare that I recommend is the Clean and Clear or the CeraVe. Like that's what works for me. That's what I use. And if you didn't already, make sure you go check out my skincare routine. It should be somewhere up here or something. Make sure y'all go check that out. Okay, last but not least is manners. Make sure that you're polite. Like, don't be nasty to people because that's not right. And don't think that you have to have these things to be a baddie. You do not. All you have to have is confidence. You just gotta believe in yourself. As long as you believe in yourself, then you don't need none of this stuff in this video because you could go out and be like, I'm bad. Without all this stuff, you have to believe. Self-confidence is key. Still use these tips because they're helpful, but you do not have to use these things at all. You just need self-confidence. You think you're that girl? Then you are that girl. Period. Alright, y'all. Make sure that y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and follow my socials. Cause I want to connect with y'all. So follow all of my socials and make sure to tune in for the next video. Alright, guys. Bye.